A quick guide to your library account. Logging into your account. Logging into the library catalogue will help you manage your account. You will need your library card number. This is your student number and it's on your ID card. You'll need to ask a librarian for the PIN number. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see if you have books out on loan and when they're due back. And you can also renew books from this screen as well. The Holds tab will display if you have any reserved items and if they are available. The Fines tab lets you know if you owe any admin fees. The Comments tab allows you to message the library and suggest titles to order and suggest any improvements to the service. When you're ready to look for items, click in the search box at the top of the screen and add in your keywords. If you need more library resources and help, there are a few things you can do. You can go to the library YouTube channel and see more how-to videos. You can use the study guides in Moodle or the guides on the new Google Sites portal. You can email the library team at libraryroast@gllm.ac.uk or you can send us a message on Twitter @Clondriflo Lib.